I would like to welcome you, ladies and gentlemen, to this experiential, hands-on, interactive workshop on one of the most important subjects in the field of addictive diseases and lifestyle disorders, namely the shame-based disease, illness called sexual addiction. This is a fictionalized account, but it's a true account of the pain. A man is speaking. I masturbate to pornography or to videos, or while I'm listening to one of those sex telephone numbers. And no, of course not, I'm not going to give you the prefix of those kinds of things. I've promised myself to stop hundreds of times, but I keep doing it. I feel so ashamed. My wife and I haven't had sex together for a year because my masturbation fantasies are quicker and easier. She wants a divorce. I didn't realize till now that my 2 previous marriages ended for essentially the same reason: my addiction to pornography and masturbation. I thought it would be great, active prostitution. Now I could be paid for doing what I like to do. Before that, those are the bells, the chimes here on the university campus of Loyola Marymount University. And they sound the pain that I'm tolling here in saying the words of this woman, sexual addict. They know this is problematic. They know that this is causing problems in their life. My goodness, God in heaven, they know. What do you think about masturbation? What comes up for you?
My initial response is it's fairly normal.
Yes, indeed, it's fairly normal, right. How about pornography and strip shows? What response might you have to those?
Disgusting for me.
Disgusting, sure, yeah. A little kinky, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, disgusting. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Let's look at prostitution. Maybe we go over here. What would be your response to prostitution?
It has its place.
It has its place. Interesting, kind of a cultural, broad view, historical view of prostitution, sure. Let's look at homosexual relationships. What comment might you make about that?
Unnatural.
Unnatural. So homosexual relationships are unnatural. Yes, yeah. I'm sorry?
I don't think they're that unnatural.
I don't think they're that unnatural.
No.
So we have some discussion about that, and it could get into some controversy. Sure, he was arrested for anonymous sex in a bathhouse. I was under a lot of pressure. I was angry at my girlfriend. I was arrested for the same thing over 20 years ago in another state. That's what we mean by problematic homosexuality. Look at, please, category 2, exhibitionism.
The shame was excruciating. I drove into our driveway with a prostitute I had picked up in the car. My wife was standing there with our 2 girls. I couldn't lie my way out of this one. I had been doing masturbation in porno shop booths, and I had spent a fortune, I mean thousands of dollars, on porno and prostitutes. I didn't care, and I couldn't help it. I had to have my fix.
Thank you. Thank you, John. Yes. This is a fictionalized account, but a true one more time. Looking for that fantasized big penis. I was into fisting. I've had sores in my mouth and anus. Need I say more? Thank you ever so much. May we applaud one another and acknowledge one another. Thank you very much.